Okay in there? Sir? Sir?
This is the heart-pounding moment when a Florida deputy pulls a man from a burning car, just seconds before it's fully engulfed in flames. Early in the morning on August 20th, Walton County Deputy William May was on his way to a call when he noticed something terrifying. As he got closer, he saw the vehicle catch fire. With no time to waste, he rushed in to save the driver. What happens next is nothing short of incredible. Let's take a look.
Sheriff's office. Okay in there? Sir? Sir? Here. Yep. Sir, come on, we gotta get you out. Come on, hey, come on. Come on, sir. Here, hold this light, hold this light, hold this light. 383 Walton. I do need EMS and fire. I got one male unconscious at the wheel, and the car's catching fire. Come on, man, let's get you out. Come on. Come on, man. Get away from the car.
216 to 383, are you going to be able to move the subject?
That's 10-4, I got him out of the car. I'm checking to see if there's anyone else. I do. Hold on. Sir? Sir? You okay? Hey, I'm gonna move forward.
Walton 383.
Go ahead.
Promotional inbound. I'll get the 54 inbound for
26.
Let's talk about what just happened. Deputy May had no idea what he was rolling up on, yet he immediately sprang into action. As the flames grew, he risked his own safety to pull the driver to safety. This wasn't just quick thinking, it was bravery at its finest. A few seconds later, the car was completely engulfed in flames. But thanks to Deputy May and the Good Samaritans that stopped to help, this man got a second chance at life. And stuff like this reminds us of the risks that first responders have to take every day.